Bitcoin, the revolutionary digital currency, has created incredible wealth for many. Its decentralized nature and the promise of financial freedom have attracted millions of users worldwide. However, it also presents a unique problem: lost Bitcoins. This issue has become a significant concern for the cryptocurrency community. It is estimated that billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin are lost, inaccessible to their rightful owners. These lost Bitcoins are often the result of forgotten passwords, misplaced private keys, or hardware failures. This is because Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Once a transaction is confirmed, it cannot be undone or altered in any way. Once a Bitcoin is lost, it's gone forever, right? Not necessarily. There are some methods and services that claim to help recover lost Bitcoins, but they are not always reliable. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin means there's no central authority to recover lost funds. This lack of a governing body makes it difficult to retrieve lost assets. This is both a strength and a weakness. While decentralization ensures that no single entity controls the network, it also means that users must take full responsibility for their own security. While it protects Bitcoin from traditional financial institution vulnerabilities, it also means users are responsible for their own security. Properly securing your private keys and backup phrases is crucial. Losing access to your Bitcoin wallet or forgetting your private keys can have devastating consequences. It serves as a stark reminder of the importance of digital security and personal responsibility in the world of cryptocurrencies. The good news is that not all lost Bitcoins are gone forever. There's hope for recovery, even if you've lost access to your wallet or forgotten your passwords. Specialized firms like cryptoassetrecovery.com have emerged, dedicated to helping individuals recover their lost digital assets. These firms employ various techniques to recover lost Bitcoins, including data recovery from damaged hard drives, brute forcing forgotten passwords, and exploiting vulnerabilities in old wallet software. While success is not guaranteed, these firms offer a glimmer of hope for those who have lost access to their digital fortunes. Before we continue, if you like this video, please remember to share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then watch some more of our videos. Recovering lost Bitcoins is a complex process that requires specialized knowledge and tools. Firms like cryptoassetrecovery.com leverage their expertise to navigate the intricacies of blockchain technology and retrieve lost coins. The process typically involves an initial consultation to assess the situation and gather information about the lost Bitcoins. This includes details about the wallet used, any known passwords or seed phrases, and the circumstances surrounding the loss. Based on this information, the firm will determine the feasibility of recovery and provide a cost estimate. Unfortunately, the rise of lost Bitcoins has attracted scammers looking to exploit desperate individuals. These scammers often pose as legitimate recovery firms, promising unrealistic recovery rates and demanding upfront fees. They may disappear once payment is made, or worse, steal your remaining Bitcoins. To protect yourself from scams, be wary of unsolicited offers for Bitcoin recovery services. Legitimate firms will never contact you out of the blue. Always verify the legitimacy of a firm before engaging their services. Check online reviews, look for official registrations, and be skeptical of overly positive testimonials. Section 5: Common Pitfalls: How Bitcoins Get Lost. Understanding how Bitcoins are typically lost can help you avoid making the same mistakes. It's crucial to be aware of these pitfalls to safeguard your investments. The most common ways people lose access to their Bitcoins include losing your private keys. Your private keys are the only way to access your Bitcoins. Without them, your Bitcoins are essentially inaccessible. Losing them is like losing the key to your safe. It's a critical mistake that can result in permanent loss. Forgetting your password. Many wallets require a password for access. This password is an additional layer of security. Forgetting this password can lock you out of your funds. Always ensure you have a secure way to remember or store your passwords. Hardware failure. Bitcoins stored on a hard drive or other storage device are lost if the device fails and there's no backup. Regular backups are essential to prevent this. Sending Bitcoins to the wrong address. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible. Double-checking addresses before sending is a must. Sending to the wrong address means your Bitcoins are gone forever. Always verify the recipient's address to avoid this costly mistake. Section 6. Understanding custody, a key to protection. Custody refers to who holds and controls your Bitcoins. There are two main types of custody: self-custody and third-party custody. Self-custody means you are responsible for storing and managing your own private keys. This offers greater control over your Bitcoins, but also comes with greater responsibility. Third-party custody means entrusting a third party, such as an exchange or custodian, to hold your Bitcoins for you. This can be more convenient but relies on the security of the third party. Section 7. The seed phrase, your crypto lifeline. Most Bitcoin wallets generate a seed phrase, a series of 12 or 24 words, that can be used to recover your wallet and access your Bitcoins. This phrase is your lifeline in case you lose access to your wallet or forget your password. Store your seed phrase securely offline, preferably in a physical format like a metal wallet or engraved plate. Never store your seed phrase on a computer or mobile device where it's vulnerable to hacking or malware. Section 8. Self-sabotage, making matters worse. In a panic to recover lost Bitcoins, many individuals make the situation worse by attempting DIY recovery methods. This often involves tampering with wallets, hard drives, or software, which can lead to irreversible data loss. If you've lost access to your Bitcoins, it's crucial to avoid any actions that could potentially damage data. Instead, consult with a reputable Bitcoin recovery expert to explore safe and effective recovery options. Section 9. Protecting your Bitcoin investment. Preventing Bitcoin loss is always better than attempting recovery. The digital nature of Bitcoin makes it susceptible to various threats, from hacking to accidental loss. Therefore, taking proactive steps to secure your investment is crucial. To protect your Bitcoin investment, follow these essential security practices. These steps will help you safeguard your digital assets and give you peace of mind. Use a reputable wallet. Choose a wallet with a strong security track record and positive user reviews. Research different wallets and select one that is well regarded in the community for its security features. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your wallet, making it harder for unauthorized access. Two-factor authentication requires a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. Keep your software updated. Regularly update your wallet software to benefit from the latest security patches and bug fixes. Developers frequently release updates to address vulnerabilities and enhance security. Backup your wallet. Create regular backups of your wallet and store them securely offline. This ensures that you can recover your Bitcoins in case of hardware failure or other issues. Educate yourself. Stay informed about potential security risks and best practices for managing your Bitcoins. Attend seminars, read articles, and watch tutorials to keep your knowledge up to date. By taking these precautions, you can significantly reduce the risk of losing your Bitcoins and ensure the safety of your digital assets. Remember, the security of your investment is in your hands, and staying vigilant is key to protecting your wealth. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch more of our great videos. Thanks for watching.